Hello folks, this is a little introduction into Prezi. This is where you will be after you register for free. You can start using template, but I suggest that we have this explanation in blank Prezi. It's easier. First of all, I suggest that we get rid of this space holder. They call it space holder. I don't like it, but you can give it up to you. To get rid of it, it's very easy. You just click on it and then go ahead and delete. Well, a good Prezi is normally revolves around some idea, and this idea can be represented in the form of an image. Let's have a guitar, a classical guitar. You go to Insert, you go to Image, and somewhere here I have, in my pictures, I have a special folder for Prezi. I look for it, and this is classical guitar, and I open it, and boom, you have the image of the guitar. Now you can make it larger, you can make it smaller by clicking the minus and plus. You can move it around, and you can actually flip it, and you can tilt it, and you can do whatever you want. Now, why is it so important? Now, a lot of people are fascinated with the special effects of the Prezi. How do they do that? Okay, let's do it. To be able to write something, you need to just double-click somewhere, anywhere you want, and write guitar. Okay, so let's put this word, and you can make it large, you can make it small, but right now let's leave it as it is. So you may want to start your Prezi with this image. So what you do, you select the image, then you go to Edit Path, and then you click on Image again. What happens, the image begins your presentation. It is the first thing that you will see. Now you want to add another thing. This is the word guitar. You click on it, and it becomes a second, what they call not a slide, but a second window, although it looks like slides on the presentation, on the PowerPoint presentation. Now, how do they make these things nested like the nestling dolls inside one another? Okay, let's do it. First of all, you need to unclick it, click again, and make it very small as you can see. And then you, using this little hand, you can put it anywhere. Let's say you put it in the middle of the guitar. Okay, and let's pretend we present. Let's click on it. So it starts, and then when you click again, and there comes the word guitar. So let's go back, and let's continue working on our Prezi. Let's suppose that next thing you want to insert is a little video. It's very easy. You go to Insert and you go to YouTube video, but you have to get the YouTube video already on, and I have it on here. I copy the address of this. I go to Share, and I copy the address of this YouTube video like that, and I copy it, go back to my presentation, and I paste it here, and I go to insert. Of course, you can add this to your presentation by adding it to edit path. You click on it, go to edit path, and you see it becomes number 1, but you don't want that. So instead you make it number 3. Okay, so once you click on it, it becomes number 3. Now what you can do with that, because it doesn't look very appealing, you click on it and you make it very small, and you might want to put it all the way to that part of the guitar. Okay, so let's watch it. If you go here, this is the number 1 window, you click the present and start presenting, and you use the arrows, and there comes the word, and then comes the some kind of music. If you click on it, it will start playing. The video will start. Now, this is a great tune, but what we need to do is to go back to our presentation and see what we can do next. You can go back to your first window and you can add anything else. Just continue by the same token inserting your pictures or videos. Now the question was, how do you insert background sound? Well, first of all, you have to have it, and the only format that you can use is MP3. I have a lot of MP3 files. I suggest that you get them from the same website, that is from the YouTube. Now, if you see, I have this option, download as MP3. How do I get it? It is only can be used with the browser called Firefox. What you do, you go and you go to the web, go to Google, and Google how to download MP3 files using Firefox, and you will easily install this. Then you will click download, and you can use this save your link as, and it will be downloaded as I will want to save it in the same folder as the picture, and my picture is saved here, so I go there and I go back to my Prezi and I go to insert and I go to add background music, and my background music is here, so I open it and it will start playing the moment I start my presentation. Now